Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the VW Golf that we've been working on. What we've installed is the Thinkware F800 Pro front and rear dash cam. So I'd just like to show you the rear dash camera. As you can see, really discreet and effective solution as well. It can see through any tint as well if you have tinted rear windows. And then in the front, just show you what that looks like. So, as you can see, behind the mirror, I'm having to go right round just to see the camera here, is the F800 Pro front main body. And then also what we've got here is all cloth taped wiring throughout the installation. So the dash camera itself is the Thinkware F800 Pro. The camera solution itself basically gives you functionality for Wi-Fi. You can also access all the footage straight through an application on your phone. As a front and rear system, it comes with a standard 32GB SD card, which is more than enough, more than capable of everything that you're going to need to coming from a dash camera. The front only solution comes in with a 16GB standard, again more than enough if you're just using the front only. Overall, as an installation, it's all been installed to the highest installation standard. All our installers are FITAS approved. There's no wires anywhere. It's really discreet, giving you all the functionality that you could possibly want from a dash camera. It looks discreet, it's easy to use, and also at the end of every installation we give you back the box so you can do your warranty registration and also take all the details from the serial numbers and everything that you need. Inside the box we do return to you extra sticky pads in case the camera does ever fall off in the severe heat. So we give extra sticky pads as well with every single dash camera that's supplied by CBS Automotive. And then also in terms of the solution, after you have had your system installed, what we like to do is run you through the system. So we allow about 10 to 15 minutes to actually teach you how to use the system, because we're firm believers in the fact that if you have a product installed, it's very important that you learn how the product works. So we teach you the application, how to access it, in case of an emergency, in case you did have an accident, how you can access the footage and the safest ways to do so. So for more details on any Thinkware F800 Pro dash camera solution, or any dash camera solutions for that matter, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. We look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.